Hi. So I thought I'd come on and talk about the emoji headrest covers, automobile headrest covers. Um, I did a couple of videos and then I do have the written patterns as well on Etsy and Ravelry, but the video tutorials are pretty complete. This one is the cool emoji. So we did start off with creating the base. The base really consists of all double crochet stitches. It's kind of like an oval. So we did some increases. And then there's a couple of increased rows throughout, but all double crochet except for the tie cord, which was a chain of, I think this was a chain of 100. And then you go back through and slip stitch all the way through. You might want to, this is not very long, but if you cinch it up, you tie it, it will get longer. So it's really a preference on what you think is appropriate. So anyways, I have this to do my third one, which I'm thinking about what to do. So on the cool guy here, so we did the cover. The glasses are pretty much like circles, and then we get into some different types of stitches to create the form. The mouth is a series of like doubles, half doubles, a couple treble crochets, and he's pretty easy. The laughing, crying emoji, I love this one, has a lot of pieces to it. The eyebrows and the eyes are really, really simple. The mouth is kind of a series of back and forth. We kind of go around a couple times. It's not difficult, but it's detailed. And then the tears, the hardest part about the tears were probably this top area here where we did some slip stitches, and I advised to make loose slip stitches so that you can get back into it on the next row. And then a little definition here with your reverse single crochet finish. So this is really cool. So on both of these, the tutorial covers the base and the face features complete. I don't know if I want to do that to you again. So this last one, I'm thinking the eye roll emoji. And this should be pretty easy. It's really a couple circles, the mouth, straight stitches. So that's what I'm thinking. Thanks for watching.